To revoke access to existing sessions on Twitter from your PC, follow these steps. Step 1. From the Settings and Privacy menu, locate and click on Your Twitter Data in the left-hand column. Step 2. You'll be prompted to re-enter your password and then click on Confirm to proceed. Step 3. Scroll down to the middle of the page where you'll find the section labeled Login History. Step 4. Click on the link that says See your last 45 logins to view your recent login activities. Step 5. Identify the specific app or service that was used for unauthorized access from the last 45 logins page. Step 6. Finally, locate the app or service and click on the Revoke button to block their access to your account. By following these steps, you can secure your Twitter account from intruders. Stay vigilant by monitoring your login history and promptly revoking access from any suspicious sources to safeguard your account.